Today's housing market is different than it was just a few months ago. And if you're thinking about selling your house, that may leave you wondering what you need to do differently as a result. Selling a home, after all, entails a whole lot more than putting a for sale sign on your front lawn or uploading a few random photos of your place, especially if you're angling for the most cash. And honestly, who isn't? So before you put your house on the market, here's 9 things to do before selling your house. And some of these tips are surprisingly easy, while others may require a bit more elbow grease. But they're bound to pay off once buyers start oohing and ahhing over your place and hopefully ponying up a great offer. Let's get started with the tips to make sure you maximize the sale of your house. Number one, find a great real estate agent. It can be tempting, especially in a hot market, to sell your home yourself and pocket the cash you would otherwise pay a real estate agent. But please resist the urge. That being said, don't just blindly hire a real estate agent who most recently sent you a flyer or the one your uncle's friend, co-worker's cousin used. Do some research to find a real estate agent who is knowledgeable about your specific market and then interview her to make sure she's a good fit. Your real estate agent should be someone you feel comfortable working with, whom you trust to sell your house for top dollar. Don't be afraid to talk to a few real estate agents before picking one. Number two, price it right. One of the first things buyers will notice is the price of your house. That's because the price sends a message to home shoppers. Pricing your home too high to begin with could put you at a disadvantage by discouraging buyers from making an offer. On the flip side, pricing your house too low may make buyers worry there's some underlying issues or something wrong with the home. Your goal in pricing your house is to gain the attention of prospective buyers and get them to make an offer. And with price deceleration and buyer demand moderating, as well as the supply of homes available for sale, it's crucial that pricing your home appropriately for this market today has become more important than ever before. But how do you know that perfect number? Pricing your house isn't a guessing game. It takes skill and expertise, and you should work with a trusted real estate advisor to determine the current market value for your home. Number three, keep it clean. You will hear me say that more than once. It may sound simple, but keeping your house clean is another key to making sure it gets the attention it deserves. When selling your home, it's important to keep everything tidy for the buyers. And you never know when a buyer is going to want to schedule a last minute tour. Before each buyer visit, if possible, assess your space and determine what needs your attention. Wash the dishes, make the beds, put away any clutter. Clean, clean, clean. Once you're done cleaning your house, clean some more. Even if you're not worried about what buyers would think of your home scent, you want your property to look spotless. Think of it this way. You probably have professional photos taken of your home when it looks its best. Naturally, you want your house to always look like it does in those pictures. Mhm. Remember to take special care with the bathroom, making sure the tile, the counters, shower, and floor shine. Doing these simple things can reduce potential distraction for buyers. Number four, declutter living areas. Less is definitely more when it comes to getting your house ready to show. Do a clean sweep of counters, window sills, tables, and all other visible areas. And then tackle behind the closed doors, the closets, the drawers, cupboards, since virtually nothing is off limit for curious buyers. If the house is overwhelming with stuff, get a storage. Number 5, touch up any scuff marks. Even if you're not doing a full on repainting project, pay special attention to scrubbing and then touching up baseboards, walls, and doors to make the house sparkle and look cared for. Number 6, fix any loose handles. It's a small thing, sure, but you'll be surprised by the negative effect a loose handle or missing light bulb can have on a buyer. It can make them stop and think, what else is broken here? Now, for a buyer submitting an offer and later committing to a mortgage, it's a big deal. When you're selling your home, you don't want to give any buyers doubt that your house will make a great home. Okay, number 7, help buyers feel at home. Depersonalize your space. Sellers should remove any distractions so the buyer can visualize themselves and their family living in the property. Remove personal items and family photos, as well as bold artwork and furniture that may make the home less appealing to the general public. The goal is to create a blank canvas on which the buyers can project their own vision of living there and loving it. From art to jewelry, keep your treasures out of sight, either locked up or stored off site. You can't trust anyone who comes into your house, even when the realtor is working hard to protect your belongings and your home too, while you're trying to sell it. Sometimes things disappear during an open house or showing, and there's little the seller can do to get those things back. So take care to hide your valuables or move them to a safe space away from your home. Spending the time on this step can pay off in the long run. Number 8, does your house scream 1985? Nothing invigorates a house like some new furnishing or a perfect chosen mirror. The key is getting your home staged by a professional, yourself, friend, or family member. And staging, it isn't for everyone. Staging is the art of preparing a home to appear to the greatest number of potential buyers in your market. The right arrangements can move you into a higher price point, and it helps buyers fall in love the moment they walk through the door. Number 9, consider your curb appeal. Yes, for better or worse, buyers do tend to judge a book by its cover. You want to make sure potential buyers' first impression of your home is a good one. Bottom line, selling a house requires prep work and expertise. So if you're looking to sell your house this season, let's connect so you have advice on how to get it ready to list, how to help it stand out in today's shifting market, and more. Peace.